What is up, you guys? It's Ava here, and I'm here with a makeup tutorial, and it's on this look. I gave y'all a little previews in the last video, even though it was like a 1-second preview, and a few people caught on to it. I already prepped my eyes using my Urban Decay primer potion in the original. I don't like the other ones, but I'm gonna go with my James Charles X Morphe. I use this for every look now, pretty much. We're gonna use a pinkity drinkity, this one, if that could, yeah, that pink color first for our transition shade. A little up close and personal here. So we're gonna go into that pink shade and go into the crease, but like above it. So I don't know what that's called, but you're gonna blend that hoe in, and it's a very light pink shade, but it's still there, you know. Now that that's done, you're gonna go in with Skip, that one. She's already stained. That's you. Just kidding, because I've never gotten stained by it, and if you have, then you're probably not using the right primer. I'm gonna go in with this packer brush now. I'm gonna put that like in the crease and also like on this outer corner. Now that we're done with that, we're gonna go into like a purpley tone, and it's Love That, her, also pigmented. We're gonna use that color on our like kind of inner outerish crease-ish area. We're pretty much gonna deepen like this, if that makes any sense. Now we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and cut that crease. I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C2, which is the lightest, I think. I don't know if they have a C1, because if they do, then that's the lightest, obviously. But for me, this is light. We're gonna do a half cut crease, and we're gonna pack like a glittery type shade on it. So I blended that with my finger a bit, just to get it blended with, I mean, we're gonna go back in with Skip and blend the edges. You're gonna go in with a brush. I'm just using a blending brush just to pick up the pigment. You're gonna go in with literally this like coralish pinky-ish glitter shade. Now for the fun part. So we're gonna go in with this NYX white liner. She kind of cracks a lot, so I wouldn't really recommend her, but she's kind of all I have. So you're gonna go in from, you're basically gonna follow your crease and then wing it. You'll see what I mean. You're gonna go with the red right over on top. after that's done, on your inner corner, you're gonna put 3 white dots. It doesn't matter how you put them. I mean, you don't even have to do this part. I just do it because I thought it was cute. It's like that. And that's what the finished eye looks like. Just kind of cute. So I'm gonna do the other eye and the rest of my makeup off camera. So this is the finished look. Kind of went really minimalistic on the makeup. Just bronzer, highlighter, blush, and then concealer. But yeah, I'm gonna do this for Valentine's Day since I already showed y'all how to do it, and I'm already planned on doing this look. So hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below any other video ideas you guys want to see, any more makeup stuff, because I'm not a beauty guru, so let's get that straight. I'll see you guys with a brand new video next time. Bye.
I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye, chop up the soul Kanye, set on his toes Kanye.